you must know before buying Ikaria Lean Belly Juice.
So, what is Ikaria Lean Belly Juice?
Welcome to the Ikaria Lean Belly Juice. The population of Ikaria, a Greek island, is known for its exceptional longevity and good health. In addition, studies have shown that the people of Ikaria have lower rates of heart disease, cancer, and other age-related diseases than other populations. This has led researchers to study the lifestyle and dietary habits of the islanders to understand the factors that contribute to their good health. Studies found that all overweight people have a high level of ceramide, toxic lipid molecules, that forces fat cells to spill into the bloodstream and causes clog your main organs such as the liver, pancreas, heart, or even arteries, resulting in slowing down your metabolism, and your body starts to store fat. Ikaria Lean Belly Juice can dissolve all dangerous ceramides from your main organs and arteries and turn your body into a fat-burning machine. It is the same powerful juice that one of the healthiest and leanest people on Ikaria Island drink every morning.
So, what is ceramide?
Toxic lipid molecules refer to certain types of lipids, fatty substances, that can harm the body. They are produced from normal metabolic processes but can become harmful when their levels become too high. Examples of 3 poisonous lipid molecules include advanced glycation end products, AGEs, are toxic byproducts of the body's reaction between sugar and protein. As a result, they can contribute to developing chronic diseases such as heart disease and type 2 diabetes. Lipid peroxides are toxic byproducts of lipid oxidation that can cause cellular damage and contribute to developing chronic diseases. Reactive oxygen species, ROS, these toxic molecules produced during normal metabolic processes can cause oxidative stress and cellular damage if their levels become too high.
What are the good things about Ikaria Lean Belly Juice?
Simply, I would say Ikaria Lean Belly Juice has no habit-forming ingredients, no stimulants, and all ingredients are natural and GMO-free. It will make you healthier. It's easy to take. It's USA FDA registered, US Food and Drug Administration, and GMP certified, good manufacturing practices.
What are the ingredients in Ikaria Lean Belly Juice?
There is a metabolic blend of 8 the most powerful, exotic fat-burning ingredients and a proprietary blend of 7 additional ingredients, such as milk thistle, paraxicum, panax, ginseng, resveratrol, citrus pectin, EGCG, fucoxanthin, bioperine, and a proprietary blend of 7 additional ingredients such as beetroot, hibiscus, strawberry extract, acai extract, African mango extract, blackcurrant extract, and blueberry powder. They boost your energy level and enhance your metabolism to make you a fat-burning machine. They are all natural.
What does that mean by FDA registered and GMP certified?
It's US Food and Drug Administration registered and good manufacturing practices certified. That means they ensure products are consistently produced and controlled according to quality standards. The FDA inspects facilities for compliance and monitors side effects when public health concerns arise about the safety of dietary supplement. The FDA has the authority to act for that.
Is Ikaria Lean Belly Juice working, and when do I start getting results?
Robert and his wife Sonia from Pennsylvania have lost 100 pounds in less than 10 weeks. All I did was drink this sweet red fruit punch each morning, they said. It increases your fat-burning capacity to 276% and reactivates your master fat-burning hormones. It only takes 7 seconds in the morning and has a whopping 93% success rate. And 84,560 men and women like you drink this delicious red fruit punch juice every morning and drop an average of 28 pounds in weeks. From Ikaria official site reviews. Everyone's body is different, and it may not work for everyone. Ikaria Lean Belly Juice has 4.5 stars out of 5 satisfaction rates. Also, we have 93% of customers satisfied with their results. So, that means 7% of customers were unhappy with their results. So, let's hope it would be working for you. The good news is that every order has a 180 days money-back guarantee. So, you can get a refund within 180 days of purchasing this supplement.
How do I take Ikaria Lean Belly Juice?
Add 1 scoop to the water or your favorite drink, or make a smoothie in the morning. How simple it is.
Are there any possible side effects?
The Ikaria has no reported side effects so far. However, consult a health professional before starting this supplement if you have health issues or take any medication.
How can I order Ikaria Lean Belly Juice?
This Ikaria Lean Belly Juice can only be purchased from the official website. You will get 3 bonuses: anti-aging blueprints to sleep better, energy-boosting smoothie recipes, and VIP coaching free to the best version of you, on the purchasing of 3 and 6 jars. Please check the description to find more details.